So we're down here south of Lafayette. We are in what was an old riding arena, and the customer has opted to turn this old riding arena into a workshop. He's had concrete poured so that we can come in, and we have started with this process. The first thing we did is we went around all the walls looking for holes, dents, anything that might jeopardize the integrity of this interior or allow moisture to get through. We patched it, we fixed it, and did what needed to be done to make sure that this barn was as good as it can be. Then we installed our insulation on our walls. Get that all up in place, tacked up in place, and ran all the way around the building. And then we installed our moisture barrier, this plastic you see behind the boards. We installed that top to bottom to keep any sort of condensation or water from getting into that insulation and causing future problems. Then we installed our girts, spaced equally all the way up for our steel. We got those installed over that plastic to make sure everything is locked in place and held up where it's supposed to be. We then went around bottom and top, installed all of our trims, and then switched to our ceiling, getting our ceiling installed while the electricians came in working behind us, installing their electric work to make sure that all work was done efficiently and keeping everyone busy while work was still being done. Then after the electricians were finished, we were able to start installing our liner steel and running that along each wall, cutting out outlets and making sure that everything is exactly as the customer wants. When that is finished, we've got an overhead door company that we have partnered with down here in Lafayette that has helped us to remove the overhead doors and disassemble them in such a way that we can get our trims and our components around it to make sure that this interior is completely trimmed and cherry when we're finished.
If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more post-frame content. Thanks for watching, and always remember, build with confidence.